have free fight for my own liberation. Liberate life without devil enslavement. Emancipation from the lies of corporations. Liberated from religious enslavement. Me have free fight for my own liberation. Liberate life from devil enslavement. Emancipation from the lies of corporations. Liberated from religious enslavement. Me say, oh you, which I think songs of redemption. Oh you, which I think songs of redemption. Oh you, which I think songs of redemption. I spit fires and hurricanes and lyrically I murder the Montanian, techno-rooted, regional and African. The elder blames the youth of today for moral decadence. Culpable debauchery, the victim with no evidence. Grab the double words, wise elders, they call me Rootsman. Knowledge reigns supreme, so in the booth I speak the sacred truth. The legacy of black fathers buried in the land of Kush. He who seek the righteous path to find his way in misty bush. The Lord to guide their path so that they will never stumble. Even in the fruit of those who love to play foul. I'm not a prophet, no prophet's son. I'm just a mouthpiece of a higher power speaking in my mind. I'm the common stranger among the reasons and the sevens and the silent witness of the new. I keep the darling Christmas and the 34 that died in bomb attacks in Iraq. I smoke weed often, but I'm not a junkie. I don't like the media, I hate the paparazzi. I love the public, except the natural negative reaction to the secular literature. Like an introvert, and personally I resonate by your systems perfectly. I'm hungry, I need some gingerbread. My blood come like turbulent rivers. Voices in my head now, they chanting songs of redemption, emancipation from calculated deception, cultural enslavement, and anything else like the above mentioned. And if Marcus plays Mira, it's a top session, chanting songs of redemption and peace to all mankind. Yeah, man. Redemption, fight for my own liberation, liberate life.